Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of Apple Incorporated, NASDAQ, APL, as of mid-2025. We'll explore key financial metrics, recent analyst opinions, and what they mean for investors. Current stock overview. As of June 7, 2025, Apple stock is trading at approximately $203.92, with a market capitalization of around $3.28 trillion. The stock has experienced a decline of about 18% year-to-date, reflecting various market dynamics. Financial metrics. Price-to-earnings (PE) ratio, approximately 33.72, indicating investor expectations of future earnings growth. Earnings per share, EPS $6.42, showcasing the company's profitability. Dividend yield, around 0.41%, with a stable payout ratio of about 15.5%. These metrics suggest that while Apple maintains strong profitability, its valuation is relatively high compared to some peers. Analyst perspectives. Needham & Company downgraded Apple from buy to hold, citing concerns over valuation, limited growth prospects, and challenges in monetizing AI technologies. BofA Securities maintains a buy rating with a price target of $235, highlighting Apple's robust ecosystem and potential in on-device AI as long-term growth drivers. These differing views underscore the importance of considering both short-term challenges and long-term opportunities when evaluating Apple's stock. Strategic outlook. Apple's strategy focuses on integrating AI capabilities directly into devices, enhancing user privacy and experience. With over 2.3 billion active devices worldwide, this approach could strengthen customer loyalty and drive future revenue. However, the company faces headwinds, including slowing smartphone sales and increasing competition in AI and cloud services. Analysts suggest that significant innovation or a new product cycle may be necessary to catalyze substantial growth. Conclusion. In summary, Apple's strong financials and loyal customer base position it well for long-term success. Yet, current market challenges and valuation concerns warrant careful consideration. Investors should weigh these factors and stay informed about upcoming developments, such as product launches and strategic initiatives.